Hi everyone. So here is Arushi, our first panelist to go today. So she has been an intern at like really renowned organizations everywhere. She's been blossoming. She has also won Smart India Hackathon. Like this is really a great achievement in the world of technology, and she has won it. And where they have created a platformer game for the Ministry of Women and Child Development, which is really great. And this is what really Smart India Hackathon also focuses on, which is going to help others, not just building something, but which is going to help others. And the main thing is what is that aligns is Arushi believes in growing up with the community and learn every day. That is the best quality that highlights how Arushi is in person and how she is dealing with the technology also. So over to you, Arushi.
Hi everyone. Thank you for an amazing introduction, Nikita. So, a brief. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Yes, you are audible.
Okay. So, I'll start with a brief introduction of myself. So, hi everyone. My name is Arushi Singh. I'm a final year computer science student at IGDTUW. So, apart from being a software developer, future software developer, I'm also a practice speaker and an environment enthusiast. So basically, my life is divided into two aspects or two phases, as you can say. First was my school life. So I studied in Bal Bharati Public School, Dwarka, straight for 14 years. And then I was always very active in my co-curricular activities as well as my academics. So I was the head girl of my school. I was the debate club president. I was also nominated for. I also got the award of Student of the Year in 2017, which was the Times of India initiative. I was also awarded the best speaker at an international MUN. So everything went very smooth. I was doing very well in academics as well as extracurricular. But in 11th, I started preparing for my JEE mains, and that is when I learned a lot from life. In 11th, 12th, I devoted around 14 to 16 hours straight to prepare and get into a very nice college. According to me, I was giving 14 to 16 hours, but I didn't realize the actual amount that I was actually giving were very less. So basically, what happened was when the results came, uh, everybody expects good results. So was I. But the results that came were quite opposite. I couldn't get into IITs or any top tier colleges. I could get computer science and IGGTU, hence I took that opportunity and moved forward in life. Coming back to one of the second phases of my life, that was the college life. I'm from Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University, New Delhi. So basically, initial years of my college weren't very smooth academically because after seeing the failure of my JEE result, I bound to lose interest towards the studies. So I took a part towards extracurricular activity. I got enrolled myself into the dramatic society where I was the actor, singer, and guitarist in my dramatic society. We even got a chance to perform at National School of Drama in front of Nawazuddin Siddiqui. So it was going very well. I'm also an environment enthusiast. So I started my Project Menu Organic, which is basically a project wherein we, teach young girls that there are other sustainable options for menstruation other than the sanitary pads that we use, which are very harmful for our environment. So that project won the WWF National Level Eco Award and is now WWF has taken over that and they are working, and we have now crossed more than 10 lakh women. We have reached to more than 10 lakh women. Now coming to the phase where I totally lost interest in academics. So I could see a drastic fall in my GPA. I would always run away from studies, or I couldn't prioritize my things. I couldn't realize that time should have been given to studies. So I would only study because of my exams, and that was the only reason. So my percentage was not very good in first year as well as in second year. One of the major setbacks that I got in my good internship, on campus internship. I got rejected from around 10 to 12 companies which came on campus to hire interns. So it shook me from within. And the person who used to, achieve everything that she ever wanted in her life was first time in her life getting so many setbacks. So I realized one thing, that after a while, after I got so many setbacks, that the one thing that I was missing in my life was hard work. I had given up on hard work. I was only blaming my luck or any other relative factors that would lead to my failures. But I realized no, hard work is the key. So I started in the last 1 year, I started practicing coding. I learned MERN architecture. I started competitive coding so that I could crack better interviews next year. So with this, I realized that I was getting there. I was reaching where I wanted to. In college, I won the Smart India Hackathon, which which was just being told. Then I also want one. I
I think there is a technical glitch. So Purav, Purav, what do you say? What is your opinion about the achievements at such a young age, and the things what she has achieved? So do you have any comments or any inputs for other people, the other members who are watching?
So let me first ask whether Arushi is able to hear us or not, because it is also important for her to take this.
Correct, correct. At least if she can switch off the video and keep.
Arushi, just yes, reconnect if you can. So you know what? So while she connects, all of you, what she mentioned is that while she was doing everything good and she was achieving everything on apart from the education. So now we come to our culture. Unfortunately, the culture across the world is you have to be good in your education, and this is how the world looks at you. And all of us, including me, even though if my passion is something else, I have to score good, else I am not accepted in the society. Please get out of this. Education is a process. It is necessary, it is not sufficient, it is not taking you anywhere. Believe me, your certificates, your degrees, and what Darshan also used a word called competition. Start competing with yourself. Please do not compete with others. When you compete with others, you are setting your benchmarks with respect to their benchmarks. Those are not your benchmarks. That is not your potential. Stop competition, forget education. The world is disrupting, education system is not changing. So let it be a process. Just secure average. If you are not interested, please do not work hard for education.
Sure. I think Purav,
You have
Arushi is back. If she is able to listen, you
Arushi,
can advise
Arushi, are
directly
you
to her.
there?
Yeah.
yes. I saw.
So
Sorry, I
Arushi,
got disconnected.
no worries. Yeah.
no problem,
Yeah.
Arushi. Arushi, please continue with whatever you are doing. Uh, Marks, pointers, CGPAs does not matter. It matters if you want them to matter. It matters for your friends, it matters for your parents, it matters for your relatives. The certificates are static. The world is changing. Education system is not changing. Please focus on your passion. Focus on giving back to the society. Don't be as late as I am in giving back. And that
Correct.
is my mission. I don't want you to commit the same mistakes which I have committed, because it is all about security. I should have a high grade because I should have a job security. And once I have the job security, the next target is increments and promotions in the rat race. It's all about that. And believe me, job, there is nothing like job security. There is always an insecurity if you have a job. So please focus on your passion. Yes, if you are loving what you are doing in terms of your hackathons, in terms of your coding, continue that. Do not compromise your passion.